Did you know that intermittent fasting can actually boost your metabolism by up to 14%? Yeah, that's right. This popular health trend not only helps with weight loss but also improves mental clarity. Stick around because today, we're diving deep into the world of intermittent fasting and discovering just how powerful it can be. Introduction. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Well, it's not just another fad diet. It's a lifestyle choice that's taken the health world by storm. Essentially, intermittent fasting means alternating between periods of eating and fasting. Why has it gained so much traction recently? People are looking for effective ways to lose weight, improve their health, and simplify their meal planning, and intermittent fasting checks all those boxes. Presentation of problem. Now, let's talk about something we all struggle with, dieting. I mean, who hasn't tried to stick to a strict meal plan, only to find themselves binging on snacks after a few days? Whether it's counting calories or prepping meals every week, maintaining consistent healthy habits can feel like an uphill battle. Life gets busy, temptations are everywhere, and let's be real, sometimes we just want to enjoy a donut without feeling guilty. It's frustrating, exhausting, and often leads to giving up altogether. So, how do we break free from this cycle? That's where intermittent fasting comes in. Exploration or development. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, but two of the most popular ones are the 16/8 method and the 5-2 diet. The 16/8 method is super simple. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between noon and 8 p.m. and then fast from 8 p.m. until noon the next day. Then we have the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and limit your calorie intake to around 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 non-consecutive days. So how does this work? When you fast, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it starts to burn fat for energy instead of glucose. This can lead not just to weight loss but also improved insulin sensitivity and heart health. Plus, studies have shown that intermittent fasting can even enhance brain function. Key moment. Let me share a quick story with you. My friend Sarah struggled with her weight for years. She tried every diet under the sun, but nothing seemed to stick. One day, she decided to give intermittent fasting a shot. She started with the 16/8 method and, within a few weeks, she was feeling more energized and focused. Not only did she lose weight, but she also said her cravings had reduced significantly. It was incredible to see her transform, both physically and mentally. Sarah found freedom from the constant cycle of dieting and indulging. This is just one example of how intermittent fasting can truly change lives. Conclusion. So there you have it. Intermittent fasting isn't just a passing trend, it's a powerful tool that can help you lose weight, boost your metabolism, and enhance your mental clarity. If you're tired of the same old dieting struggles, why not give it a try? You might just find it's the solution you've been searching for. I'd love to hear your thoughts on intermittent fasting. Have you tried it? What was your experience? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on health and wellness. Let's embark on this journey together.